In 1 hour and 30 minutes, the magic is happening and I'm locking my gains. Today I'm going to sell a position that I've been holding for a long time. My return on investment is amazing, even though I believe it can go even higher. I don't want to be greedy, especially with this one stock that grew a lot for months. I'll tell you what is the stock in question, how did I discover it, why did I buy it, is it a good idea to sell, should you hold, what I think about this stock, am I making a mistake, and a few investing concepts that I have applied. More details throughout this video. Let's see how this day turns out as I go on with my day. Make that money work for you if you are into investing well. Hi there, I am Colton Cong. I'm all about self-improvement and financial literacy. If you feel safe here, I welcome you with open arms. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not advice. Honestly, I just want a good financial future and I'm sharing what I'm doing. Hopefully this can help a few people. This is not a video to tell you what to buy or what to sell. Please make your research and do what's best for you. What is the stock in question? The stock is Cloudflare. The ticker symbol is NET. NET. How did I discover it? Why did I buy it? I discovered it in summer. I was a huge online spender. I love buying things online. I first saw this company around spring of last year. I didn't really think much of it. One day, one of the sites that I go to had issues and I saw an error page that appeared with the company Cloudflare. I got curious and I did a bit of research to know more about this company. Turns out they deal with website security. At the time, e-commerce was increasing because of the lockdown. It still is, and I believe that this company would be more in demand by businesses. There's more opportunities to grow. For example, Shopify does use them. By the way, this is a very casual video. Let me show you two purchases I made as I explain more about the stock. One new cup for my cup collection. It was 25 cents. I buy all my cups from the thrift store. My cups are featured on my TikTok if anyone is interested. The other one is 75 cents. It's like a jar. I'll put one of my plants in it today. Actually, this one, I'll put the propagation in it. The stickers are so hard to remove. Is it a good idea to sell? I don't really sell, I just buy and hold. It's going to be 8 months that I've been holding. My goal was to get 100% return on investment and I already reached it. I don't predict the future, but I do see it going bigger as their growth is increasing and they have amazing financials. It's a solid company. If there's a crash, I might consider re-entering a position, but I'm not timing the market. I'm going to put my propagation into this jar. This is a Dracena compacta. I kind of like it. I like the look of it in water instead of putting it in soil. Should you hold? What I think about this stock, because I already see a lot of gains. I don't want to be too greedy and it doesn't hurt to lock in my gains. I bought with an average of $35.48 per share, a total of 1,525.64 USD. I'm going to be completely honest, I bought in small amounts and it kept going down. So I did something called DCA, which means dollar cost averaging. As the stock goes down, I buy more to decrease my average cost. Here's some screenshot of the days I bought with their prices. In July, I bought 3 shares at $38 and then 2 shares at $39. These were on the same day, by the way, and another one share at $38.13. And another day, I bought 6 shares at $36.53, and another 10 shares at $36.50. And then on the month of September, I bought 10 shares at $35 and another 10 shares at $32.80. I am placing a limit sell, which means this is the minimum price I'm willing to sell my shares at. I always do that just to make sure there's no surprises and my shares are not sold at a lower price. My order got filled. It was sold at $72. It's an estimated value of $3,024 USD or 3,757.62 Canadian after conversion fees. That's about 1,500 USD in profit. Am I making a mistake? So the stock has gone up. I could have made more money, but there is always that should I have done that? I could have done that. I'm slowly getting away from this mentality and stop comparing myself. I'm super happy with my gains. At the end of the day, I made $1,500. If you ever sell some shares and the price goes up, remember that it can happen. There's no need to beat yourself up for that. There's plenty of other stocks. This is a learning opportunity. Plus, the price could have gone down as well. I'm taking a walk today. I lost someone dear to me. It's crazy how one day everything is fine and the next day it's not. I'm focusing on things I can control, trying not to focus on external things or on social media. It honestly feels great. I stopped being on social media before 9 a.m. and after 6:30 p.m. To be completely transparent, I failed a few times. At the beginning it was hard, but I'm actually really enjoying. Sometimes going online is a bit overwhelming. It's nice to disconnect. I'm 22 years old and I need to take back my time. I need to take care of myself. Taking this decision is what I needed. Finding the strength to take it a day at a time. I take walks and it's honestly my favorite activity. Walking is free, so I love that. All the money I could spend for other activities, I'm literally putting on my savings and investment accounts. But what if I need to spend money to eat out with my friends? Well, something that really changed these past 2 years is that I don't really enjoy eating out. I have no friends, so I rather eat at home. I'm saving so much money by making food. I remember when I went in university in person, some classes are overwhelming, some even last 2 to 3 hours. I literally rewarded myself with food, and since so many restaurants were near the university, I would end up paying $16 for salad bowls. Now I believe I can eat for a day and it costs maybe a few dollars. If you want to take notes, here are some concepts mentioned in today's video. DCA, which means dollar cost averaging. As the stock goes down, I buy more shares to decrease my average cost. Also, the other concept is a limit sell, which means this is the minimum price I'm willing to sell my shares at. I always do that just to make sure there's no surprises and my shares are not sold at a lower price. I hope this is a valuable video for you. Also, if you don't have it all figured out or you are starting to invest, take a deep breath, take it a day at a time. You are a success story because you are able to wake up today. My name is Colton Cong. I'm all about self improvement and financial literacy. If you feel safe here, I welcome you with open arms. Follow me on TikTok where I have this 100 days challenge to become the best version of myself and get myself together. If you like that, I invite you to join this journey with me. I'm also on Instagram where you can interact with me through my stories. Other socials are in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. I'm ending today's video with 3 things I'm grateful for. I'm grateful that I was able to witness a beautiful sunrise. I'm grateful I was able to have my plant thriving. I'm grateful for being able to talk. There's days when I barely talk, so it's refreshing to have a reason to speak. Also, thank you for encouraging me to talk. I had some nice comments on TikTok saying that some of you enjoy my content when I talk. What are you grateful for today? Let me know in the comments.